Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore this eye over here. I had problems with the eyelash and I'm still having problems with it, and I got lash glue in my eye and it's like having moments where it's like it's really red and it's getting irritated. And then so today's not my day or something. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just please continue watching. Hey guys, okay, let's just jump right into this tutorial. I already went ahead and did that eye, obviously. And I'm just going to take some Tarte Shape Tape. I actually think I need more of it. I think it's about out. Just blend all that in. Guys, we're going to be using like 4 different palettes today. I have 3 Wet n Wild ones and the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm just going to take the transition shade out of Rosé in the Air by Wet n Wild and just build up that color. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette and take Cocoa Truffle and So Bougie and mix them together. It's a light and dark brown. That over that other light brown color. Honestly, it kind of looks, well, no. I was going to say it kind of looks the same as So Bougie, that the one that I used in the Wet n Wild palette, but it's slightly a little different. Now I'm going to mix like all of these orange shades and the Rosé in the Air palette and Not a Basic Peach. Both Wet n Wild palettes. Take the lighter one first and then blend it all in the crease. Now I'm going to take like this dark purple, like a burgundy or something shade, and another Wet n Wild palette called Nude Awakening, and just my husband just walked out the door. He's grilling. Since we finally got a freaking pretty day, and just do like circular motions. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette and use the shade Gold Dipped. Put it all over the lid. And I learned like a little trick. If you don't have like a small like brush or whatever, you can take a Q-tip, and all like the little spots that you can't get, just use the Q-tip. I just went off camera and done a wing because I can't do them on camera to save my life. I don't know if they really match, but let's pretend that they do. Now onto foundation and stuff, and I'm just taking the Catrice primer. I really love this primer, and I always get too much of it. I noticed that if you're going to do an eyeshadow look and everything, wait to do your primer and stuff until after, because you're just going to have like probably fallout and stuff and probably get messed up on your eyeliner a million times, and you can just wipe it away with the makeup wipe. And if you go ahead and apply primer and then do your eyeshadow and everything, then you're wiping off your primer with the makeup wipe. So just wait to do your primer till you're finished with your eye makeup. And this is what the primer looks like, if anybody was wondering. You could even see that. Now I'm just going to take the Milani Rose and Brighten Face Oil. Just take a little bit. This just gives your skin like a little glow. Now guys, I am not tan. I do not have a tan on. But let's pretend that I do, because I like pretending stuff. And I'm just going to take the Flower Beauty Light Illusion. And this is like, I ain't gonna lie, this is really dark. And it's kind orangey like, to be honest. But who doesn't want to be a Oompa Loompa queen? Yeah, I look less like an Oompa Loompa whenever I have the other products on. But I do love this foundation. And I don't think they... Yeah, never mind. They have this at Walmart. You can get the foundation at Walmart, but you can't get the concealer at Walmart. I don't know why, or you can at mine anyway. But this does give a like a dewy look. A dewy orange look. Now I'm going to take the Flower Beauty concealer, put it under my eyes. Just blend it out. I'm just going to take the Morphe High 5 8H palette. I love this palette. It is for like darker skin tones like tan and stuff, but let's pretend that I'm sort of tan thanks to the foundation, so. Guys, ever since I done my $5 and under makeup look, I have been using this Wet n Wild Fergie, like, whatever it is, baked, like, blush shimmer, because it gives, like, a pretty glow. Can you see it? Like, it's just so pretty. And I'm pretty sure that is discontinued. Now I'm just going to take the Wet n Wild contour palette and put powder everywhere. I only let it sit for like a few seconds and then I'm like, okay, time to wipe it off now. Now I'm taking the LA Color Strobing Highlight in Champagne. Such a pretty highlight. And it's blonde and it's just $3. And I got it at Dollar General. So go get some. Just putting some of that highlight in my inner corner and brow bone. I was like, I thought I almost went freaking blind because the lash glue got in my eye. And this lash ain't even like all the way down. And I try to cut it some and like you can kind of tell. But I try to make it that I really needed help with that. That was just scary. And it still kind of bothered me. But oh well. Now I'm just going to take that dark purple shade and put it on my lower lash line. False lashes are pretty, but dangerous. Now I'm just taking the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, putting it on my lower lash. So guys, for lipstick, I just used the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid in Possessed Plum. Now, this eye look is kind of very intense, so I might change it to like a nude, like a shimmer. I don't know yet, but we're going to finish off with the Hard Candy Longwear Setting Spray. Okay guys, this is the finished look. And that lash glue is really bothering my eye, and I really hope I don't go blind. And my stupid eyelash don't want to stay. What a great day. But thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.